Content marketing is a way to attract customers to your business. Instead of directly advertising your products or services, you provide valuable and engaging content. This content should be relevant to your target audience. It could be blog posts, videos, social media updates, or even ebooks. The idea is to create content that people actually want to consume. Think of it as offering valuable information that helps your audience solve problems. When done right, content marketing positions your business as a trusted source of information. By consistently providing valuable content, you can attract and engage your target audience. This, in turn, can lead to increased brand awareness, stronger customer relationships, and ultimately, more sales. Content marketing is about building relationships, not just making a quick sale. When you consistently provide valuable and relevant content, you build trust with your audience. People are more likely to do business with brands they know, like, and trust. Content marketing helps you establish that trust by showing your expertise. When people find your content helpful, they start to see you as a reliable source of information in your industry. This can lead to increased customer loyalty and advocacy. Content marketing offers numerous benefits for businesses of all sizes. It's a cost-effective way to reach your target audience. Compared to traditional advertising methods, content marketing can be very budget-friendly. It helps improve your search engine rankings. By creating high-quality content that incorporates relevant keywords, you can improve your website's visibility on search engines. Content marketing also allows you to establish thought leadership. By consistently sharing your expertise and insights, you can position your business as a leader in your industry. Section 4. Real-world examples. Many businesses have achieved remarkable success through content marketing. Take, for example, the company GoPro. They make action cameras, but they also create amazing videos of people using their products. These videos are exciting and shareable, making people want a GoPro camera. Another example is the blog of the company HubSpot. They sell marketing software, but they also have a very popular blog about marketing. This blog helps them attract potential customers and establish themselves as experts. These examples show how content marketing can be more effective than traditional advertising. By providing valuable and engaging content, businesses can attract, engage, and convert their target audience. Section 5. Conclusion. Content marketing is a powerful way to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive business results. It's about creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage your target audience. By focusing on providing value to your audience, you can establish trust, build a loyal following, and achieve your marketing goals. Start by identifying your audience's needs and creating high-quality content that resonates with them.